whenever you sit for doing your writing practice or simply to do with a piece of writing, then you feel like lazy. Your approach becomes slow, or all of a sudden you will be reminded that you have got lot many other important tasks to be completed. Hi, my name is Biswarupa and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see how speed writing will help you to come out of your laziness zone or your writer's block and help you to put the writing practice in place. As the name suggests, it is going to be speed in nature. So how to go about it? Come up with the topic well in advance. So pre-decide the topic. It can just take as simple as like your favorite hobby, or how did you celebrate Ganesh festival that just went by. So take something which is very close to your heart and which you are very close to, and then set the alarm for 10 to 15 minutes, either 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and on your mobile phone, and then your time starts at by the time you gets it on. And the rule is you cannot stop or take a pause in between. Your hand should be moving, you should be writing. You cannot take more than 2 to 3 seconds of pause. If you will take, then you will be lost. As simple as that. So as the time gets over, your alarm will start ringing and then you can stop. So the idea behind is it will stop you, it will help you to come out of your overthinking. You go back, you read it, you edit it, so it will stop you from doing that. Anyway, you can do all of them after you write them. First let the raw idea, first let what is there lying inside your head and inside your heart, let that come out in raw form, and then you can make the correction or rectification or editing, whatever you want to do with. So it will help you to bring those raw ideas inside you. It will push yourself, and it will not bring you, or it will not keep you in that zone forever or for as long as you want. No, it is not going to be that. So it will push you as much as it can. If let me take my case. Earlier I used to take 2 hours to write a piece of article of 750 to 900 words or so, but I even thought that I am taking more than usual time. I should be now reducing the time. So I even started implementing this speed writing, not every day depending on the topic, but then I started using my mobile phone as my alarm clock, and then I started writing the topic on the whatever I would have chosen, and then I go about it, whatever it comes to my mind. I keep writing, and then by the time I see it is 50 minutes to 60 minutes, I would have almost done with my piece of writing. And I feel good about it, definitely, because I used to sit for like 2 hours is quite a long time. Even I was losing my interest, whatever I would have thought of to write about. I do not feel it in the same way when it was going for more than 1 hour or 1.5 hours. So in between, of course, I was doing what should I write about, or I was also spending some time in reading others articles, which was helpful, but then even I thought it could have been done before. I should be in a flow of my writing, should be in a flow, nothing should come in between. So that is the main focus and idea over here. When you do speed writing, your focus should be entirely on the piece of writing that you are doing, nothing else. If you want to do some research, if you want to do some reading, prior reading, if you whatever you want to do it before it. Once your alarm starts, the timing of the alarm starts, then nothing in between comes. It is just you and your writing, that's it. And once it is done, you can go back, you can check. Obviously, if you want to add something that you would have missed, then you can anytime you can add it, but nothing in between. Because if you go back and start googling and start doing some editing, it will completely break your flow, and whatever idea you would be getting that point of time, you'll never get them back. And that comes directly from you, that you would have gathered it over the period or so. So let that come in its own way, let not break the flow. and whatever else you want to add or edit, you can do it later. And that's how your writing time will reduce. You can get a better version of your writing, and also you will feel good about the process, and so also about yourself. So that was about it for speed writing and today's video. How did you find this video? Do mention it in the comment box, and if anything else is in your mind that I can be of help to you, then do mention it in the comment box so that I can come up with the videos on the same, and I'll be looking forward for it. That was it, and see you. Bye bye.